Up, hey everyone, my name is Ethan. I am playing Subway Surf today. Gonna be playing. So it's hat day. So whoever's in my school knows this. It's hat day today. So I'm wearing a hat. I guess. I don't know if it's like a world thingy. So I kind of forgot. So I'm be playing Subway Surfers today. And guess what? I got the hacked one. Because I hacked pretty much almost every game. So, Subway Surfer, I've got a pretty high score, so we're gonna try to beat it with doing no revives. Because last time I will doing like 5 revives, because last time I beat it with just 1 revive. But then I had to revive it again, but then it just died, so it didn't count. So it, technically. So yeah, it says update the app, even though I don't need to update it. So shop sale. Well, I bought everything pretty much in the shop. Well, okay. To me, check me out. So that's I'm gonna check my board. So check my board stuff. Okay, it's lagging. I'm gonna go with the freestyler. It's my favorite one. Alex is not playing Minecraft Pocket Edition. I don't care. Okay, so let's play. Okay. Double tap, triple tap, la 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 la. Okay. So I'm beating people's high score so fast right now. Okay, get ready. Okay, middle. Double tap. Okay. This is laggy for some reason. It used to be super fast. So it's laggy, so sorry about that, guys. Maybe it's because I'm downloading something right now. Double jump. That's what I love about this. You can double jump. Plus, you can do that. Oh, this is so easy. I can beat this really quick. Okay, no revives yet, which is good. And I had to jinx it, but I was like, I'm 50. Stop! Oh my god. Okay, that's Bay. I got Bay now. Yeah. Daily challenge. I am stupid. And okay. So we're gonna try to beat my high score today. It's so laggy right now. And I'm trying to do the one finger thingy. Cause I heard that using one finger would with like you have a pretty heavy phone, and then using your finger to play this game is super hard. Oh my god. Ugh. Hiya. Yeah. Jump. Okay. Also, you can do some cool things. And I died. Okay. This in 3 minutes. Oh! You can jump up there. That's cheats. Okay, I think I'm winning anyways. Okay. Yo. This is glitching. I'm just jumping right now. Jump! Okay. My jump boost is about to get out. Oh, never mind. Jump. Oh, God. Okay. So, 16. Last time I had to, like, revive just a few times. Nyeh. I'm trash. No! Shoom. Get it. Bruh. I already have this up. Restart. Oh, dang it. Can't jump that high. What? He phased. Wait, they should do this thingy where it's lagging so much. You do this thingy. Oh god. I keep dying because it's so laggy. Okay. They should do this thing where you can buy what the guy looks like. Cause even though I barely do that. Okay, Pixel Gun is now done. Cause I hacked the Pixel Gun. Oh my god. Okay, it gets laggy. Cause my phone isn't usually this laggy. It's probably okay. Now it's starting to be better. Now, cause the download was completed. Okay.
Daddy, I love spaghetti. I love you.
So that'll be it for today's video, guys. See you on the next one. Cause actually no, I'll just do a few more minutes. And if I die, that's it. But I'm being boss right now. No! So glad I have a double jump. The freestyler is like the best one for me. Wait. So that's it. That's it for today's video, guys. See ya. Cheers! Wait, let's just open this. Fresh double up. And it's an ad. See ya.